Hi all, so today we are going to discuss chapter 7, that is trigonometry functions. So the main focus for today will be chapter 7.3, solution of trigonometric equations. So in this subtopic, you are going to use the method LARQA very frequently. So what is LARQA? So L stands for linear form. So what does it mean by linear form? For example, now I have 1 over 2 cos. Maybe here I have 2x plus 10 degree equals to 1 over 2. So remember, in linear form, the front part should only have cos, sine, or tan, these three trigo functions. Only? Okay, these three only. Okay, there should be no number. Okay, there should be no number. So what we can do is actually move this one to the right side. Okay, move this one to the right side. So in the middle, okay, it's okay lah. Doesn't matter anything. Okay, and the right side should be constant. Okay, right side should be constant. That is a number. Okay, so now for example, with this example, if I move the 1 over 2 to the right side, I will get cos 2x plus 10 degree equals to 1. So this is my linear form. Okay, so this is my linear form. Okay, now second, A. So the A in LARQA means alpha. So what does it mean by alpha? Means that we are going to change, okay, the middle part into alpha. That is this one. So when we change, it will become cos alpha equals to 1. So what is this alpha? So the alpha is actually just mean 2x plus 10 degree. But we are not going to write this out lah. We will just write cos alpha equals to 1. But we know the alpha equals to 2x plus 10 degree. And R, okay, LARQA. R in LARQA means range. So this one basically will be given in the questions. Yeah, will be given in the questions. There will be two types. One is in radian. One is in degree. So you need to look at the questions. If the question gives you the range in radian, then your answer should be in radian. If the question is degree, then your answer should be degree. For example, it can be x less than 2 pi and more than pi. So this one will be the example for radian. Sometimes it can ask is less than 360 degree and then more than 180 degree. This is the range. And quadrant. Okay, quadrant. So we are going to apply the knowledge that we have learned before. That is all sine. Teacher, crazy. So we are going to look at the constant here. We are going to look at this constant, whether it's positive or negative. Okay, so for example, in this case, we have, for example, cos 2x plus 10 degree equals to, for example, here if I write negative 0.5, okay, so when we have cos and it's negative, so we know that it will be located at quadrant number 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it will be located at quadrant number 2 and quadrant number 3. So this one will be our alpha, this one will be our alpha, and then thus we can find the answer. So this is what it means by quadrant. And finally, we need to write our answer. So answer, basically you get your alpha first, okay, but you know alpha is not your final answer. For example, just now our alpha is equals to 2x plus 10 degree. So you need to convert that into x. Okay, so later we are going to try out some questions and you will understand. Okay, I mean, what does it mean by answer and then convert into x? Yeah. So this is basically what you need to know first before we go further. Yeah, that is LARQA. Okay.